Now I am going to explain you about binomial distribution. Binomial distribution is the basic distribution of discrete distributions. The definition of binomial distribution is given as a random variable x is said to follow binomial distribution if it has the following probability mass function. Here p of x is equal to ncx p power x q power n minus x. Here x takes value 0, 1 to 3 and so on up to n. The examples of binomial distribution are the number of heads obtained in 3 tosses of a coin, the number of boys in a family of 4 children, the number of defectives in a lot of 10 items. Only for this type of elements we are applying binomial distribution. Mean of binomial distribution is given as np mu, and the variance of binomial distribution is given as npq sigma square. Parameters of binomial distributions are n and p. N and p. So p plus q is equal to 1, p equal to 1 minus q, p equal to success and q is equal to failure. Moment generating function of binomial distribution is given as mx of t is equal to q plus p e power t whole to the power of n. Characteristic function of binomial distribution is given as phi x of t is equal to q plus p e power t whole e power it whole to the power of n. Additive property of binomial distribution. Additive or repetitive property both are same. Here if x and y are two independent random variables, x follows binomial n1 comma, here parameters are changing, n1 comma p, and y follows binomial n2 comma p, then x plus y also follows a binomial distribution with parameters n1 plus n2 comma p. We have to prove this one, we have to prove this element. So we are considering moment generating functions of binomial distribution x and y. So mx of t is equal to q plus p e power t whole to the power of n1. mx of t is my of t is equal to q plus p e power t whole to the power of n2. We know that from the properties of moment generating function, both if x and y are two independent random variables, mx plus y of t equal to mx of t into my of t. We are multiplying, base or same powers can be added. So this is in the form of mx plus y of t. So x plus y of t follows the binomial distribution n1 plus n2 comma p. So here we are proving that x plus y also follows a binomial distribution with parameters n1 plus n2 comma p. Thank you.